I used to think trading was only for Wall Street geniuses, but it's way more accessible than you think. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the TradeGenius channel. In this video, I'm breaking down the absolute basis of trading. We're talking what it is, how it works, and some simple trading examples to get you started. Now, I'm not promising you'll make thousands overnight. Trading involves risk, but with the right knowledge and discipline, some traders see returns of say 30 to 70% per month. Okay, let's break down this profitable trading strategy step by step. First, you'll need a trading platform. I'm using TradingView, what I'll find really user-friendly for day trading, swing trading, and scalping. Once you're in, choose a trading instrument. For this example, we're going to be analyzing gold, a popular and highly volatile choice for traders looking for profitable opportunities. Now select your chart time frame. I often use 5 or 15 minutes for scalping and intraday trading. And for this scalping trading strategy, we'll be using 15-minute chart. Now, here's where things get interesting and where we can find potential profits. We're going to add our powerful technical indicator called Trend Speed Analyzer. This can help us identify high probability trades. To do this, simply click on the indicators button and type Trend Speed Analyzer into the search bar and select it from the results. It's that easy to add this powerful tool to your trading arsenal. The Trend Speed Analyzer indicator is a powerful technical analysis tool designed for profitable trading. It measures the strength and speed of market trends, essentially showing how quickly asset prices are moving in a particular direction. The indicator usually displays a line on the price chart, with a higher value indicating a fast-moving trend and lower values signifying a slower or stagnant trend, helping you spot profitable entry and exit points. This makes it a valuable tool for technical analysis and charting. This can help you with forex trading, stock trading, crypto trading, options trading, futures tradings, and more. Now, before we jump into using the trend speed indicator within this powerful strategy, there are a couple of key adjustments we need to make to fine-tune it for maximum financial gain. Let's head over to the indicator settings. In the input section, we're going to change the maximum length to 45. Next, we'll set the accelerator multiplier to 4. Then, to keep our chart clean and focused, let's disable the table. For visual clarity, we'll set the dynamic trend color to yellow and green, the trend speed up to white and yellow, and the trend speed down to white and red. No changes are needed in the style section. Finally, because we're using the DMA indicator as our core for this profitable strategy, we can simply double-click on the chart and remove the histogram, giving us a clearer view. So while the trend speed indicator is a fantastic tool to really maximize our financial gains and avoid costly mistakes, we need an indicator that can clearly show us the trend direction. Trading against the trend is a big no-no. For this strategy, the perfect solution is the 10-in-1 different moving averages indicator. So let's get back to the indicator section. And this time in the search bar, type in 10-in-1 different moving averages and select it from the results. Now, this indicator is incredibly useful because it combines 10 different moving averages into a single chart. It uses various calculations methods like SMA, EMA, WMA, and more. This is super helpful because it allows us to see how the trend is interpreted using different time frames and weighting schemes, giving us a comprehensive view of the market and helping us make a smarter financial decision in our trading. So now, before we actually use this indicator in our strategy, let's adjust a few parameters to help us to identify trends more effectively and improve our financial outcomes. Let's go to the indicator settings, and then in the input section, first we're going to change the first MA to EMA, which stands for exponential moving average. Then we'll set the period to 200. This 200 period EMA is a widely used tool for identifying long-term trends in the market. The time frame should be set to normal, meaning it would use the current time frame of the chart. Next, let's enable MA2 and change its type to RMA, relative moving average. Its period will be 45. Again, the time frame should be normal. Finally, let's head over to the style section. Here, we can adjust thickness, color, and opacity of the lines to your personal preference. This helps with visual clarity and makes it easier to analyze the chart for profitable trading opportunities. Now, how we use these lines, the 200 EMA and 45 RMA, to identify trends in the market and make informed financial decisions. Let's break it down. In an uptrend, we'll typically see the price trading above both 200 EMA and the 45 RMA. The 45 RMA will often act as a dynamic support level, meaning the price tends to bounce off it. Conversely, in a downtrend, the price will trade below both lines. The 45 RMA will then act as a dynamic resistance level, where the price struggles to break through. Now, what happens when the market isn't clearly trending up or down? We enter a consolidation phase, also known as sideways market or ranging market, when the price is moving sideways, bouncing between a relatively tight range, and both 200 EMA and 45 RMA are relatively flat and intertwined, or the price is whipsawing around them. This is a strong indication of consolidation. Notice how the lines are close together and the price isn't consistently above or below them. This tells us there's indecision in the market and neither buyers nor sellers are in control. Identifying those consolidation phases is important for managing risk and avoiding false trading signals. Okay, so here's how we put this strategy into action, potentially generating financial returns. Let's take an uptrend as an example. In an uptrend, the price will trading above both 200 EMA and the RMA. Next, we wait for the pullback or retest of one of these moving averages. During this pullback, we'll like to see the price candles changing colors between red and white. We're looking for a specific signal, a price candle closing above the trend speed line with a white body. This is what we call a bullish breakout, and it confirms a buy signal. We enter the trade at the close of the breakout candle. Now, crucial for any trading strategy, risk management. We set our stop loss order just below one of the moving average lines to limit potential financial losses. Our profit target is set to 1.5 times the amount you're risking. This risk to reward ratio is a key element of the financial trading strategy, and for sell trades is basically the mirror image. We first identify a downtrend, price below both moving averages. We wait for a pullback to one of the lines with candles changing color. We then look for a price candle to close below the trend speed line with a red candle, a bearish breakout. This confirms a sell signal. We enter at the close, a stop loss goes just above a moving average, and our target is 1.5 times our risk.